It's a quad 50, bitch! Ah! Fuck you! Hey, bro. Oh, shit. Alright, I think I got one more cat, boys. Trust me, I'll get it. Ah! Who's the fastest? Shoot more! Shoot more! Go, 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 go! More! There might be some there.
Any words to say before we get ambushed and horribly murdered?
Hey, look, a muzzle glint. How many people on our team? No. I'm just following around because I want to watch.
I'm with the press, don't shoot me.
Hey, watch out.
Time for the press to get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Friendly forces are engaged in firefights all through the woods. NATO forces are under fire!
You know, you following us makes them valid targets.
Yeah. I'm almost out of battery.
Yeah. Where are we? There's somebody right next to you, so are you there? Oi, move! He's gone. Oh.
Yeah, he's done.
We got a beached whale down there. Chilling.
We now watch the manatee in its natural environment.
Although it should watch out for boats.
Manatee Matt has just been shot. I'm the press, don't shoot me!
Oh my god!
I left it in the car!
It just gets shot off with AK fire. What flag is that? Not that one. NATO forces have been fighting for 4 hours now. They pushed the enemy back. We've got a small outpost right down here. Not much tactical value, but every victory adds morale.
NATO forces just eliminated a target, securing their securing their presence in Helmand Province, Afghanistan. As you may notice, Afghanistan is extremely temperate and cold this time of year.
We're in Afghanistan, you know, the part with the trees in it.
So they have to get this one to go to the next one?
Huh?
They have to get this one to go to the next one?
I think so. Is it this one or is it the one up there?
Nobody else.
I have no idea what's going on.
That's a wobbly boat there, man.
What?
Come on.
He's dead.
Alright. I'll shut him anyway.
Will Lutz, resident paratrooper.
Oh, balls.
This is good.
Reinforcements are coming, Gaudette. Come on, short stuff, get up here. No, they clearly don't. Holy fuck, the loadout of weapons we got just chilling here.
What's the deal over there? Are you guys all out?
No.
Okay, we're playing the full score.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the two.
I'm with you on the close.
We're on the camera, I can't say anything.
I can pause it.
A whole bunch of them are coming up Potter Alley.
Yeah, but they need this flag now.
So people
We
gotta
need
stay
a whole,
back here.
but we need to also get the close quarter combat. If we don't get that one, it's useless. We'll just stay here all day and fight them off. You want to go down?
Well, let's
close
go.
quarters? Yeah. You guys stay up here to defend that one.
Get tons of pictures.
Skullfuck's already on the Watch out, boys.
They were an hero. That disguise is not fooling anyone. You can see the sling and the orange tip. Holy fuck!
Alright?
I'm good. And the manatee in its natural environment. Target rich, of course.
Yep.
Territorial beast you are.